Hey guys, so today is going to be a little bit different from our usual videos. I wanted to make a couple of disclaimers before I go into this. One, I wanted to say that some of us are taking advantage of God's grace. These females I be seeing going around, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. So that's why I was inspired to do this video today. My second disclaimer, I am not perfect. I have done all of these things that I'm about to tell you at one time or the other, and sometimes they still happen on accident. It's okay, everybody makes mistakes. But I'm letting you know that these things happen so that we don't have to keep doing them. My third disclaimer for this video before I get started is that I am not mad. I will yell throughout the course of this video because I am passionate. And when I'm passionate, I yell. Did y'all hear that? That was me. I wanted to make a complete reference back to that second disclaimer, that I am not perfect, that I have done all of these things at one time or the other. I enjoy making fun of myself. You can't make fun of me. You can't call me out because I'm fully aware of my flaws. I'm just going to, take a little bit of a humorous side of this and just go straight into this thing and let you know the worst things that you can do for your eye makeup. I'm specifically doing it for the eye makeup because I see these females walking around and their eye makeup is so not on fleek. Like they violate at least half of these rules that you're supposed to follow in the world of makeup. We're going to get into this and we're going to go and we're going to empower each other and we're going to help each other become better women and prettier women. Anyways, okay. I'm going to go from my least prioritized pet peeve to my most prioritized pet peeve. Like from the ones that that happens regularly, I don't really care, to the ones that you should not ever do. Okay? So this video is completely inspired by my sister-in-law, Andy. Shout out to ya. Because we were just talking about some females who get away with these things, and they just need to be told. Okay. By the way, I'm not just telling you these things. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Number 5 is the spider lashes. You all know what this is, okay? So this is something that happens very regularly. I can't lie to you and say that this never happens to me. This happens often, okay? So, it happens on accident. Put on a little bit of mascara today. I got my little face makeup. I took my eyebrows off because I will be doing my eyebrows today. These are spider lashes. I'm using my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume because this is basically one of those mascaras that you can coat a million coats on your eyelashes and it's not gonna flake. We're using this one because I'm not trying to be flaky. Get it? We're gonna see what 20 coats of mascara will do. Okay, ready? Go. Okay folks, so this is it. This is what we don't want to do to our eyelashes. If it looks like you can make a whole bird's nest out of your eyelashes, take it off. If it looks like the queen can lay down and take a nap on your eyelashes, you should not be going in public with it. We are fully supportive of false lashes. You just got to get the right kind. I totally understand the problem with false lashes because you have to take them off, you gotta clean them, you gotta do it. Cool. Get the kind that's not gonna look like a big old spider web on your eyes. The more layers you put on your eyelashes, the more you need to declump and the more you need to separate through them. That wasn't even something that I'm as passionate about as these next coming ones. That was number 5. Number 4 is brick brows. Yes, you heard it here. Brick brows. This is something that is happening way too often. We need to stop. Us as a generation need to find our happy place and just stop making our eyebrows look like a bunch of bricks have married themselves onto our face. Yes, I know. for all those who are just thinking, Araya, didn't you used to have brick brows? Yes, I did. You are absolutely correct. But the Lord has saved me, and I have found his salvation. So I'm going to demonstrate this with a brow pencil. This is a teeny tiny brow pencil that is used to make small hair-like strokes in order to make your eyebrows look natural and filled in. If you go into your eyebrows and it looks like somebody took a Sharpie and drew on your face with it, you need to go back home and redraw your eyebrows. This is a little bit scary. We have gone from one extreme to the other, and now we are back to the natural, halfway, like medium full eyebrows. My word of advice to you is, if this is you, look at yourself in the mirror real quick. If this is you, you're gonna look like you're permanently mad for the rest of your life. Number 3 is not blended shadow, okay? First of all, for the sake of number 2, I'm not going to put eye primer on, because when I get to number 2, you'll understand. But people who don't blend their eyeshadow are probably people who do not put eye primer on, if that makes sense, okay? I don't even know how. All right, that's the wrong brush. We're going to use a different brush, because some people don't even use blending brushes for this. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of a smoky eye here, but we're not even gonna smoke it out. So the sad thing is, the era of smoky eyes and the amount of technology that is available to us at our fingertips, we still don't know how to do a smoky eye. We still don't know how to blend our eyeshadow so that it doesn't look like this. That makes me sad. At the very least, if you're gonna walk out the house, blend your eyeshadow. Either that or just wear nude eyeshadow that you don't even have to think about blending. Something like really simple. So the best way to do that is take you a little fluffy brush like this. See? It's fluffy. And this is what I wanted to grab, but then I realized, oh, I'm actually supposed to be doing a not smoky eye. And just take this and blend some of that away. Okay? Take a transition color. All right, let's take a little in-between color. Let's do this one. This little golden color here, in between that brown. Take that, transition. You see how easy that is? And then, once you get your eyebrows fixed, you can go in and highlight your brow bone. But don't be highlighting your brow bone if your eyebrows look like a big old brick on your face. Y'all are going to be so mad at me for this. But number 2 is oily eyelids. I can't demonstrate this because I'm just going to have to go get a bunch of olive oil and just smear it all over my eyes. This is actually a pet peeve of mine. This is like legitimately a pet peeve. When I see somebody who has their eye makeup smeared all over their eyes and they've got like gunk in their eyes because their eyelids are oily. Some people might say, oh, but you can't help that. Yes, you can. Put some darn primer under your eyeshadow. Put some darn primer under your eyeliner. Don't let that stuff smear, ladies. There's no excuse. We have all this stuff available to us. All right, let me show you. Really inexpensive primer that I use, that I have used for a good while now. Mary Kay eye primer. I don't even know, maybe like $10. $10 for a little eye primer. That'll last you forever. You really just gotta put like a little dot on each eyelid and smudge it around and you're good to go. No oily eyelids. Let's stop this. My number 1 pet peeve with my eye makeup. It actually terrifies me. I'm going to go ahead and tell you. But you got to promise not to get mad at me. And I know a lot of people who do this, so don't be thinking just because I say this I'm thinking about you while I'm posting this. No. There's only really one person that I really can think of. Just kidding. Number 1 is the mother of the raccoon tribe. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate this for you. You got to promise not to get up mad at me, okay? I'm using liquid liner for the top. I'm just using it for the top, and then I'll show you. I'll go into it. Sorry, I started gagging just thinking about it. Sorry. So I'm going to do this, especially if you don't have eye primer. This is going to be really difficult because in about an hour, oils in your eyelids are going to smear this eyeliner all over the place. You're going to be a raccoon. You really are. I mean, I can't say much. I used to do that in like 6th grade, but most of these people aren't in 6th grade anymore. We're not in 6th grade. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not mad. Okay, I'm just passionate. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Okay. Whew. You can't even see your eyelid with this look. I used to actually do this, but I didn't do this with liquid liner. I just did it with a pencil. And I did it on my waterline all around. And I thought it was really cute. I'm going to use the blackest pencil I have. Do this. Oh, but I don't miss it. Okay, so there we go. There's the mother of the raccoon tribe right there. I feel like I'm back in middle school again, thinking I look so cute. Now listen, if your bae thinks, okay, yeah, I love it when you wear your eyeliner like this, don't get rid of the eyeliner, get rid of the bae. Like, just get rid of him. If you're saying to me, well, you know, Araya, my bae loves it when I wear my eyeliner like this, and that's the way I'm going to wear my eyeliner. I understand. I really do. I understand. But I need you to understand that bae doesn't know what you look like without looking like a raccoon. If he's a real good dude, he'll like you no matter what kind of eyeliner you're wearing. So, if you put your eyeliner on either the top or the bottom, be very sparing on the eyeliner. You can do the wing on the top if you're dramatic with the wing on the top. You can go ahead and use a really light liner on the very corner. Don't go any further than that. But if you put like a light colored eyeliner on the bottom, it's going to open your eyes up. You're going to have brighter eyes. They're going to look more open. I would suggest to do either a wing liner or just do a very simple liner on the top just to kind of make that eyeshadow pop, and then do a little bit of eyeshadow, like maybe if you're doing a golden eyeshadow like I was trying to do today, you can put like a golden, light golden eyeshadow on the very outer corner on the bottom. You don't have to learn the hard way, because that's what I had to do. I had to learn the hard way because nobody was going to tell me that I look like a raccoon mama. Nobody was going to tell me that my eyeshadow wasn't blended and my eyebrows looked like a bunch of bricks. That's why I'm here to tell you in the privacy of your own home that you don't have to look like this. God's grace is sufficient for all, okay? For me, for you, for all of our makeup needs. I'm just here to try to help a sister out. I'm not here to yell at you and to make you feel bad about yourself. Only some people. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and if you've been my friend and you know me personally, thank you so much for being my friend through all of this. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Don't run into a raccoon if you decide to walk out the house like this. Don't forget to like this video even if you are mad at me. You will find out sooner than later that I am so imperfect and I do this kind of crap sometimes on accident. I would love to do a full face don'ts, but that's just too complicated. So I'll probably do a face makeup don'ts next time. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see that. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see the rest of my videos, and click the little bell button so that you can get notifications when I do post something stupid like this. I love you. I really am not mad at you. I think that you are so beautiful. Really, I do. I really think that you're so beautiful, no matter how you wear your makeup. But really, you can save a lot of makeup if you don't do this. Okay, anyways, I love you and you're beautiful, and goodbye.